a Supreme Court verdict, and along with it, many questions that are not limited to just two names. Omar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam did not get bail, while five other accused in the same case were granted relief. This news is not just legal, it questions a system in which someone remains in jail for 5 years without the trial even beginning. This verdict is not only about today, it lays the foundation for debates in the times to come. I want to give a big thanks to our sponsor, Ion Infotech. They are not just any tech company, they are our digital partner here at Sutra Network, helping us bring you the content that often gets overlooked by the media but really matters. Ion Infotech is all about the digital future. They specialize in AI, app development, and yes, even game app development. They use their unique 4D model discovery, design, development, and deployment to ensure every project is a success. And in today's world, every business needs a strong digital presence. They are the ones who can help you move beyond traditional marketing and get your business visible on modern platforms like Gemini, ChatGPT, and all those new AI search and source hubs. So, if you are looking to bring your digital project to life and really stand out online, definitely check them out. And remember, by supporting them, you are supporting us. Hit the link in the description, mention Sutra Network, and you will get a little extra perk. To know more, visit ioninfotech.com. Now let's get back to the video. First, let us understand how this case began. After the February 2020 Northeast Delhi riots, Delhi police termed the violence as conspiracy and alleged that riots were planned under the cover of CAA NRC protest demonstrations. On this basis, from September 2020 onwards, Omar Khalid, Sharjeel Imam, along with several students and social activists, were arrested and charged under the UAPA, under which bail is extremely difficult. The police maintained that meetings, WhatsApp groups, and speeches were used to incite the atmosphere, while the defense argued that those activities were peaceful protests and there was no direct evidence of violence against anyone. Nearly 5 years have passed, yet the trial has not begun. In the meantime, some accused have received bail, but Omar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam have not, raising serious questions about prolonged imprisonment without trial. Now let us come to the present situation. What decision was given? A bench of the Supreme Court comprising Justice Arvind Kumar and Justice N.V. Anjaria delivered its verdict in the UAPA case related to the Delhi riots. Gulfisha Fatima, Miran Haider, Shifa ur Rahman, Salim Khan, and Shadab Ahmed were granted bail, but Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam were not. The court said that Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam can apply for bail again after 1 year, or when the examination of protected witnesses is completed. That means for now, even the hope of bail is put on hold for 1 year. The most crucial basis of this case is the protected witnesses. These are the witnesses who the defense cannot openly question. The government claims that statements from these witnesses revealed that the accused held meetings for the alleged conspiracy. The court said that the examination of these witnesses should be completed within a year. But the biggest question remains, when the trial has not even begun in 5 years, will this process really be completed in 1 year? Before the verdict, Omar Khalid's father, Syed Qasim Rasool Ilyas, was seen going to the court. There was hope on his face. Journalists asked, "Any hope?" The answer was, "A better decision will come." But a better decision did not come. Bail was rejected. After the verdict, the same father appeared broken. He said, "Very unfortunate."
कोई कमेंट नहीं है, नो कमेंट, नो कमेंट, अनफॉर्चुनेट, अनफॉर्चुनेट।
सर कैसे देखते हैं सर इसको?
नहीं, अनफॉर्चुनेट, कुछ नहीं कर सकते। जजमेंट आ गया, वो आपके सामने है, उसमें क्या कहने का।
This is not just the story of one family. It is the story of every family that has been making rounds of the courts for years. The Supreme Court clearly said we cannot view all accused as the same. According to the court, the role of Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam was central, while the role of the other accused was considered auxiliary. The court says that if everyone is treated equally, it would create the danger of keeping people in prolonged custody without trial. But this is where the question arises. When everyone has been in jail for almost the same length of time, when the trial has not begun, then how was the central role determined? The court said that the length of time Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam have spent in jail does not yet cross the constitutional limit. This is where the biggest question arises. What exactly is the constitutional limit? If spending 5 years in jail without trial is not a violation of Article 21, that is, the right to life and personal liberty, then when will it be considered a violation? 7 years or 10 years? The example of G.N. Sai Baba is before us, who spent 10 years in jail and did not survive long after being acquitted. Recently, people who were jailed for 20 years in the 2006 Mumbai bomb blast case were granted bail, saying that there was no concrete evidence. So then, who is responsible for this delay? Sharjeel Imam's lawyer raised the same question. Can a speech be considered a terrorist activity for which there is a provision of the death penalty?
फुल हैं हम लोग हमेशा की तरह, और सुप्रीम कोर्ट से ही उम्मीद है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट इस केस में लोगों को बेल ग्रांट करेगी। ऑलमोस्ट 6 साल हो चुके हैं लोगों को कस्टडी में, एंड अभी तक ट्रायल शुरू नहीं हुआ है। इसी बात पे हमें काफ़ी उम्मीद है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट आज अपने फैसले में लोगों को बेल ग्रांट कर दे।
Sutra Network stands for facts and truth. We don't show sensationalism, we show reality. And if you want honest journalism, join us for truth, for change. And if you have a story that needs to reach people, visit our website sutranetwork.com and send it to us, because the question is not just about news, it's about truth. To know more about this news, read our article on the link mentioned in the description box.